Pub team. The pub team, and I shouldn't have been playing with the pub team because I was affiliated with Rangers and affiliated with a local club that I was registered.
And that's how the contract works with them.
Yeah.
You don't play with the pub team because presumably you could get injured.
I snapped my leg into it. So I snapped my leg into it.
With the pub team.
Bye bye.
Pastry chef and author, whose new book is called Baking for Pleasure. Thank you for coming on the show, and thank you for bringing your delicious hazelnut chocolate ganache tart. Lily Jones, founder of Lily Vanilli, celebrating your 50th anniversary with the birthday cake campaign. Thank you for coming on the show.
Thank you.
Abby Moulton, wine and whiskey broadcaster and author of New British Wine. Thank you for coming and hosting my Sunday.
Whoa. Jesus Christ. Get lost and get killed in the process?
I don't even know how far I can put in.
It's just foliage on this side, you can pull in quite a bit. There's not a wall or anything or a fence, it's just bush.
It's scratching all the farther, isn't it? Yeah, it's stone.
Try and like hit it front end.
I can't get in it anymore. I'm not. Good grief. We're definitely on the wrong road. Now they're scratched a bit. I bet the car's covered in scratches.
Oh, for God's sake.
What a moron! Stupid idiot. He wasn't even looking.
Dickhead. Oh, he's going to do something really dangerous now. Look at
Whoa!
No
What
way.
a moron!
No way.
If I was in that Santa Fe, I would have shat myself then.
See, I had him totally off the roundabout there. Look, he's going again on the brow of a hill. What's he doing?
What the hell?
Jesus. Oh, that's just dangerous.
I had that on video as
Having
well.
a bit of a race is alright, but that's just dangerous.
That's even.
White vinegar in with it. Let's watch the bin man nearly got run over.
Bed.
But I love playing it because it's lovely being sort of mysterious.
I'm saving that fucker.
And then